Samantala, bukod po sa pagkilatis sa mga naghahangad na maging susunod na Pangulo, kinikilatis din ng mga Pilipino ang mga posibleng maging susunod na First Lady. At ngayong gabi, ang First Lady ni Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro ang aming ipakikilala. Saksi si Michael Fahatin.
Si Tarlac Congresswoman Monica Nikki Prieto Teodoro, kongresista sa unang distrito ng Tarlac, chairperson and founder ng Child Welfare Committee at author ng iba't ibang batas para proteksyonan ang kabataan. Hindi na sasanay humarap sa kamera dahil sa seryoso niyang trabaho sa kamera, pero naging product endorser siya ng isang kilalang shampoo brand. Gayunman, ayaw niyang magpatawag na modelo, pero mas makikilala siya ngayon sa posibilidad na maging First Lady ng bansa, pagkat ang kanyang asawa walang iba kundi ang lakas ng PCMD presidential candidate na si Secretary Gilbert Ibo Teodoro.
Narinig ko lang na-anoint na yung asawa ko as standard bearer. I was in Tarlac actually the whole day, and then sabi ni Gibo, umuwi ka na because ako na. Sabi, what? Yun na. So I was kind of excited.
Sa maikling panahon ng papalapit ng eleksyon, mas makikilala ng tao ang kandidato ng administrasyon. Pero kung si Mrs. Congresswoman Teodoro ang tatanungin, sino nga ba si Presidential Gibo?
His stability. He's a very stable person, and then hardworking. He has good values because of his father. His father was the SSS, the head of SSS. So it's instilled in him. It's very much instilled in him. And I think he will do good for this country because, as I said, he would rather unite the country. Because united we stand, you have a better chance. And I think kailangan naman tayong
Dagdag pa ni Congresswoman, bukod sa makadiyos, masugid daw, tukado at alam ng kanyang asawa ang kanyang gusto. Di lamang para sa bayan, kundi maging nung unang manligaw ito sa kanya.
The most charming thing talaga that I thought my husband did, of course he doesn't say this often, but he took my pictures to the nuns, naman yung picture ko sa madre. At sabi niya, kailangan itong maging asawa ko. So you have to pray na this will be my wife. The nun said, no, we'll pray for the right girl for you. He says, either you pray for her or give me back the picture.
At sa posibilidad, kung papalarin ang kanyang asawa patungo sa Malacanang, anong First Lady ba ang ating maasahan?
Of course, ako yung mga bata. Naalagaan ko yung mga bata. Of course, my husband has his own agenda. But I think the one thing that we would like to do is just unite the country. So, umasenso na. You know, so I think that's our biggest challenge and our common goal.
Michael Fahatin, inyong saksi.